心靈和誠實就係指人嘅靈魂同埋真理。
Spirit and truth means the human spirit and truth.
嗱，希臘文裏邊講靈魂嘅咧，有起碼兩個字。
In Greek, when we talk about this, the human soul, there's two words:
pneuma
pneuma
同 psyche。
and psyche.
嗱，psyche 好清楚啦，就係 psychology 心理學嗰個 psyche 由嗰度嚟㗎啦。
Psyche comes from the word psychology.
OK，咁所以咧，但係 pneuma 同埋 psyche 咧，其實佢都係翻譯緊咧希伯來文嘅另外兩個字，都係講靈魂嘅。
But pneuma and psyche comes from two other words from Hebrew, which also talks about the spirit.
pneuma 其實係翻譯緊另外一個字叫 rock。
Pneuma is translated from rock.
psyche 就係譯緊 nephesh。
Psyche translated from nephesh.
你哋唔使記得㗎。
You don't have to remember this.